Admonition to follow righteousness and avoid wickedness. Proverbs 4 verse 1. Listen, children, to a father's instruction, and pay attention so that you may gain discernment. Verse 2. Because I gave you good instruction, do not forsake my teaching. Verse 3. When I was a son to my father, a tender only child before my mother. Verse 4. He taught me and he said to me, let your heart lay hold of my words, keep my commands so that you will live. Verse 5. Acquire wisdom, acquire understanding. Do not forget and do not turn aside from the words I speak. Verse 6. Do not forsake wisdom, and she will protect you. Love her, she will guard you. Verse 7. Wisdom is supreme, so acquire wisdom, and whatever you acquire, acquire understanding. Verse 8. Esteem her highly, and she will exalt you. She will honor if you embraced her. Verse 9. She will place a fair garland on your head. She will bestow a beautiful crown on you. Proverbs 4 verse 10. Listen, my child, and accept my words, so that the years of your life will be many. Verse 11. I will guide you in the way of wisdom, and I will lead you in upright paths. Verse 12. When you walk, your steps will not be hampered, and when you run, you will not stumble. Verse 13. Hold on to instruction. Do not let it go. Protect it, because it is your life. Verse 14. Do not enter the path of the wicked, or walk in the way of those who are evil. Verse 15. Avoid it, do not go on it, turn away from it, and go on. Verse 16. For they cannot sleep unless they cause harm. They are robbed of sleep until they make someone stumble. Verse 17. For they eat bread gained from wickedness, and drink wine obtained from violence. Verse 18. But the path of the righteous is like the morning bright, growing brighter and brighter until full day. Proverbs 4 verse 19. The way of the wicked is like gloomy darkness. They do not know what causes them to stumble. Verse 20. My child, pay attention to my words. Listen attentively to my sayings. Do not let them depart from your sight. Guard them within your heart. Verse 22. For they are life to those who find them, and healing to one's entire body. Verse 23. Guard your heart with all vigilance, for from it are the sources of life. Verse 24. Remove perverse speech from your mouth. Keep the vicious talk far from your lips. Verse 25. Let your eyes look directly in front of you, and let your gaze look straight before you. Verse 26. Make the path for your feet level, so that all your ways may be established. Verse 27. Do not turn to the right or to the left. Turn yourself away from evil.